Have you ever wondered what would happen if Garmin finally built the outdoor smartwatch that users have been asking for over the last several years? A watch that combines a stunning AMOLED display, true solar charging, premium titanium construction, advanced health tracking, and battery life that still leaves the competition behind. For years, outdoor athletes have accepted one major compromise. You either choose incredible battery life with a memory and pixel display, or you enjoy the beautiful colors and sharp visuals of an AMOLED screen while sacrificing endurance. But according to recent industry rumors and supply chain reports, Garmin may be preparing to change that completely with the upcoming Garmin Fenix 9 and Garmin Fenix 9 Pro. In this video, we're taking a close look at every major rumor leak and prediction surrounding Garmin's next flagship adventure watch. While Garmin has not officially confirmed these features, the information currently circulating has created huge excitement among runners, hikers, climbers, cyclists, divers, and outdoor enthusiasts worldwide. If even half of these rumored upgrades become reality, the Fenix 9 series could become one of the biggest smartwatch releases Garmin has ever launched. One of the biggest questions everyone is asking is when the new watch could arrive. Based on Garmin's previous launch schedule and several reports from industry insiders, many expect the Garmin Fenix 9 lineup to launch sometime between late August and October 2026. Although nothing is official yet, this timeline would fit Garmin's typical flagship release cycle. As always, we'll have to wait for Garmin's official announcement before anything is confirmed. Pricing is another topic creating plenty of discussion. Early reports suggest the standard AMOLED version could start at around $999, while premium configurations featuring titanium construction, sapphire crystal protection, expanded connectivity, and additional premium hardware could reach between $1,200 and $1,400. That certainly places the Fenix 9 in the premium smartwatch category. However, Garmin has never tried to compete on price alone. Instead, the company focuses on delivering reliability, durability, and long-term performance for people who spend countless hours training outdoors or exploring challenging environments. Perhaps the most exciting rumor of all involves the display. For years, Garmin users have faced a difficult decision every time they purchased a new watch. The traditional MIP display offered exceptional battery life and excellent visibility outdoors, especially when paired with solar charging. On the other hand, AMOLED displays delivered vibrant colors, deeper contrast, and a much more modern appearance but generally consumed more power. It has always felt like choosing between beauty and endurance. Now, several reports suggest Garmin could introduce an AMOLED display combined with an advanced solar charging layer. If this technology becomes reality, it could completely eliminate one of the biggest compromises outdoor athletes have accepted for years. Imagine having brilliant colors for everyday use while still gaining extra battery through sunlight during hikes, trail runs, camping trips, or long expeditions. It would represent a significant step forward for wearable technology. Even more interesting are rumors pointing toward a possible micro-LED display on the Garmin Fenix 9 Pro. Although this technology has not been confirmed, micro-LED is widely considered one of the most promising display technologies for the future. Compared with traditional OLED panels, micro-LED can offer higher brightness, improved energy efficiency, longer lifespan, and reduced risk of image burn-in. If Garmin successfully brings micro-LED to a rugged outdoor smartwatch, users could benefit from a brighter display that consumes less battery while maintaining excellent visibility under direct sunlight. Some reports even suggest that the increased efficiency of micro-LED could allow Garmin engineers to reduce the overall thickness of the watch without sacrificing battery life. A thinner design would improve comfort during long-distance races, multi-day hiking trips, mountain climbing, and everyday wear. Combined with Garmin's reputation for durability, that could make the Fenix 9 Pro one of the most balanced premium adventure watches ever released. Another interesting rumor comes from recently discovered patents that appear to reference a redesigned solar charging system. Current Garmin solar watches use a visible solar ring surrounding the display. Many users appreciate this signature look, while others feel it makes the watch appear more technical than premium. According to these patent discussions, Garmin could be working on a hidden solar layer positioned beneath the display itself. If implemented successfully, the watch would maintain its solar charging capability while offering a much cleaner and more elegant design. It would be a subtle change, but one that many users have requested for years. Design improvements may extend well beyond the display. Several rumors suggest slimmer bezels, reduced overall thickness, improved titanium construction, and an even more refined premium finish. Garmin may also introduce a magnetic rotary crown alongside its trusted 5-button navigation system. This would give users another convenient way to scroll through menus, while preserving the physical controls that outdoor athletes rely on when wearing gloves or operating the watch in rain, snow, or muddy conditions. Some reports indicate that this new crown could rely on Hall effect sensors instead of traditional mechanical components. If true, fewer moving parts could improve long-term reliability by reducing wear over time. For people who regularly expose their equipment to dust, water, freezing temperatures, or rough environments, even small durability improvements can make a noticeable difference after years of daily use. Connectivity is another area where Garmin could make one of its biggest leaps forward. Rumors suggest the Fenix 9 series may feature improved LTE connectivity or even standalone satellite communication capabilities. If these reports prove accurate, users could potentially send emergency messages, share their live location, or remain connected in remote areas without carrying a smartphone. Garmin already has significant experience with satellite communication through its InReach products, so integrating similar technology into the Fenix lineup would feel like a natural evolution rather than a completely new direction. Health tracking is also expected to receive meaningful improvements. Several reports mention a possible next-generation Elevate Gen 6 sensor offering better heart rate accuracy during intense workouts, more reliable sleep tracking, skin temperature monitoring, enhanced recovery metrics, and smarter AI-assisted health insights. While Garmin has consistently improved its health ecosystem over recent years, these rumored upgrades could provide even deeper analysis for athletes looking to optimize performance while avoiding overtraining. Navigation remains one of Garmin's greatest strengths, and the Fenix 9 may continue that tradition with further improvements to multi-band GNSS performance. Better satellite reception could provide more accurate positioning in dense forests, deep valleys, mountainous terrain, and crowded cities where GPS signals often become unreliable. For trail runners, cyclists, hikers, mountaineers, and adventure racers, accurate navigation is more than a convenience. It is often a critical safety feature. Looking at everything together, the Garmin Fenix 9 series has the potential to become much more than a routine annual upgrade. If Garmin successfully combines premium materials, AMOLED or microLED display technology, hidden solar charging, advanced satellite connectivity, stronger health tracking, and industry-leading battery life into one device, it could set a completely new benchmark for outdoor smartwatches. Of course, it's important to remember that many of these features remain based on rumors, supply chain reports, patent discoveries, and industry speculation. Until Garmin officially announces the Fenix 9 lineup, every leaked feature should be treated as unconfirmed information. Still, the consistency of these reports makes the upcoming launch one of the most exciting smartwatch stories to watch over the coming months. My personal opinion is that Garmin is in a unique position right now. The company doesn't need to copy other smartwatch brands. Instead, it should continue building products that prioritize reliability, endurance, precision, and real-world performance for serious athletes and adventurers. If the Fenix 9 and especially the Fenix 9 Pro can deliver most of these rumored improvements without sacrificing Garmin's legendary battery life, they could easily become the new gold standard for outdoor smartwatches. Premium pricing would certainly limit the audience, but for users who depend on their watch every single day, the value could easily justify the investment. What do you think about the Garmin Fenix 9 and Fenix 9 Pro? Which rumored feature excites you the most? Is it the AMOLED solar display, the possible micro-LED technology, satellite communication, improved health tracking, or something else entirely? Share your thoughts in the comments below because I'd love to hear your opinion. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest updates on upcoming smartwatches, technology leaks, and future gadgets.